ChatGPT introduces chat history search feature on web version. OpenAI has announced a new feature allowing ChatGPT users to efficiently search and identify relevant information from past conversations on its web version. Parent company continues to enhance its AI chatbot with innovative features, maintaining its competition position in the market. This latest addition to its web platform is a powerful chat history search tool distinct from the GPT-4 model's internet browsing capabilities. Taking to X, OpenAI announced the new chat history search feature. Users have long requested an easier way to locate specific conversations from their chat history, removing the need for manual scrolling. With this feature, ChatGPT users will see a new magnifying glass icon on the side panel of the ChatGPT web version. Tapping this icon opens a text box where users can type keywords to locate any past conversation. The text box also displays recent chats, allowing users to select from them without typing. OpenAI has stated that the feature is currently being rolled out to ChatGPT Plus and Team users. Enterprise and educational users will gain access to the chat history search feature next week. However, those on ChatGPT's free plan will have to wait until November.